How about some Mopar muscle here at Unique Specialty and Classics? This one's a 1970 Dodge Challenger 2-door hardtop Hemi tribute car. So underneath the hood, 426 Hemi power, 2 4-barrel setup on it. That's paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission, power steering, power brakes, and nicely equipped. Let's take a look at the chrome in the front bumper, that RT grille. This is a rotisserie restoration car. Definitely take your time looking through the still pictures. Take a look at the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, and all those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Dual chin spoilers. You can see that underneath there, kind of dark, but check out the still pictures. You'll see them. Riding on BF Goodrich radials. That good looking Mopar wheel with the beauty rings, center caps. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side. You can see it's really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Say this is similar to like a Limelight paint color, which of course was available back in 1970. Panel's nice and straight. Paint has a nice shine to it. Black vinyl roof. And of course, black vinyl interior. Bucket seats. Center console. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a little closer look at the interior as well as underneath the hood. If you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. That vinyl top in nice shape. Gull wing in the back here. When we get to the interior, you're also going to notice it has an overhead console. Will come with a car cover. And once again, all those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. A couple notes from the technician that looked at this one in their service department. AM stereo, and it works. Brakes are 100% in the front, 100% in the rear. Don't think there's been a lot of miles put on this car since it was restored. Odometer reads about 15 miles an hour fast. That might keep you from getting a few extra speeding tickets with it. A little bit of wheel cylinder seep and little powertrain seat valve covers, it sounded like, but car that needs to be driven a little bit. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like these Mopars, maybe just like muscle cars in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. You can see this driver's side also free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. That paint has a heck of a shine to it, no doubt about it. They're going to see you coming in this one as well as hear you. This one will turn some heads both ways. Door panels. Looking good. There's those bucket seats. Of course, you would have lap belts and shoulder belts. That's why you have 2 of those seat belts on each side. Wood grain dash. I think we need to fire this up. It is a little bit cold-blooded, so let's get this thing. Let's get it running. Before I do it, I'll show you the AM radio.
Again in March, and pictures of the prize baskets are in the...
So AM radio working. Top of the dash looking good. That overhead console I was talking about. Alright, tachometer working. See the gauge cluster here. Temp is starting to come up. I warmed it up a little bit before the video, so it'll sit idle nicely. I have not had the clock working. Door closes nicely. Let's listen. That's a rumble coming out of that 426 Hemi. All right, let me pause this real quick. I want to get this hood open. We'll check out that engine bay, and then like I said, Jason's going to take it for a drive. Good look at the underside of the hood with the hole in it. Of course, that's due to that shaker setup. And again, 2 4-barrel carbs, power steering, power brakes, power steering, power brakes, no AC. It's not an AC car. In the still pictures, you're going to be able to see the fender tag, so you'll be able to see how this car was equipped from new. Battery disconnect when it's in storage or in between drives. Slip around over here to the passenger side. There you can see those big Hemi valve covers. Look, you can see the 2 4-barrel setup. It is underneath there. Look at that monster. How fun would this be? Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. There's some Mopar power. 1970 Dodge Challenger, 2-door hardtop, Hemi tribute car. Call us, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Stick around just a little bit longer. Jason's going to take you for a virtual ride, if you will.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
As well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1970 Dodge Challenger. This one with a 426 Hemi on a shaker hood. 4-speed on the floor over the center console, if you will. What more can I ask for? In what looks like sublime green. We've got the wood grain on the dash to tell us it's 1970. These cars are great too. The blinker says left and right. Okay. So some of that was spinning the tires. You may not be able to tell, but I was doing that. The tachometer's working, the speedometer's working. We're in 4th gear. It's a great, strong running car. I definitely get some wind whistling right here. I'm going to slow down just so you can hear me better. I believe that driver's window just needs a little help lining up as you raise it all the way up. We have a fuel gauge reading 3/4 of a tank. The oil pressure 3/4 of the way up. Alternator is fully over to the right on charging, and the temperature is 1/4 of the way up from cold. Tachometer equipped and speedometer. The heater works. We're blowing heat from the blower motor today. It is winter in Minnesota, but we do wash our vehicles, so we can do these driving videos for you. The wipers also work. Pistol grip shifter. That's one of the most desirable shifters from this era in a Mopar. We've got the turn signals out on the fenders. The original looking radio.
Couldn't do it for that engine charge right.
Also picking up AM the way it did when it was new. Check out all the pictures of this Challenger at uniqueclassiccars.com.